Welcome back, my friends, to another unboxing. This time around we have a light from Sutefoto. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Sutefoto, F-O-T-O. They contacted me. They wanted me to take a look, review the product, and photograph it. So I'm excited. This is, I believe, the most powerful constant light that I ever owned. So I am very excited for it. It arrived a couple days ago, and it's time to open this baby up. Here we go. So dull. Ooh. If it has a handle, it better be good, right?
Right.
So we have a constant light. It's supposed to be 100 watts. It runs for about 250 bucks. So definitely look it up on Amazon if you are interested in buying something like this. For now, let's inspect the box. Top handle right here, easy to carry. It has the Amazon sticker right there. On the front view, we have the item in a photo. We have the brand, the model P-100 RGB, and then some of the specs. 2000 to 10,000 Kelvin, HSI 3600, RGB 5 times 100, 10 different effects. It's 100 watt. It does have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You are more than welcome to download the app and utilize it through the app remotely. On the side, you have a couple QR codes. Feel free to scan now. There you go. That's for Apple, Google, Android. On the back, we have more specs. We have the name of it, RGB LED Video Light, the model, display. It does have a display in the back, 1.8 inches. That's the Kelvin mark right here. These are all the colors that are included in this light. 10 effects, 5 RGB times 100, I guess. Once again, it's 100 watt, and that's just the connection. It's a 24 volt connector, and it's about roughly 206 times 120 times 178 millimeters in size. So it's quite a box. Also, you'll see right here, it has the light itself, a cone adapter. It has its own connection and a carrying pouch. It's like a little bag. That's really neat. The other side has just generic information about the brand, information where they're located, QR code, and additional information at the bottom. The very bottom has nothing, and it's time to open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so it already comes inside the bag, which is pretty neat. Carrying handle, some Velcro loops right here, and you have the branding on the front. On the side, you have another hook for if you want to carry it as a little bag, and then the back also has the branding. Okay, little blue accent on the zipper, and the very bottom legs, so you don't destroy your bag. This is gonna help to make it last longer. Zipping it, open it in, we got a couple things. The first one, I see that the power is in here inside the pocket on the little cover. So this is your adapter. So this is what we got right here. Cool. What else is in here? Okay, this is a Velcro, so you can manage the spaghetti right here. I like that it brings these little handles if you want to adjust, so when you open the little lid, it doesn't just go all the way back. That's pretty neat. This is what I was talking about, the little purse handle type. There we go. It has a little lid to protect what's inside. We have a QC card, which is not bent filled. Boom. We have our instructions right in here. There they are. Please read the manual. You don't want to blow up because you did not do your homework. Okay, we have cardboard protection for the cone. So this I'm probably gonna throw it away. And then we have our cone right here. And cardboard protection did not work at all. We have our first dent. Dang it. Was that in transit? Because this is hard. Because I don't think that comes with it. Is that a design thing? I doubt it. Well, I'll have to see the photos because I highly doubt this is meant to be there. Put insurance on your deliveries, guys. And then we have our awesome little cubic light right here. Ooh, this looks nice. You also have option to add batteries. That's pretty cool. It comes with a handle, pretty nifty. And there it is, LED light. So right here it says that it takes F950 or F970 batteries. LED screen right here. Some buttons, levers, on and off. Switch the battery mode, connection mode, or off mode. You got your connection right here. That's it. There's nothing else in here. I'm gonna plug this in and see what it looks like, how powerful it is. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up.
That shit.
Boom.
Damn.
Right?
So close.
Oh. Alright. So, my pointer tells you.
Alright,
Tell me how bright it is.
I got my glasses on, so I'm good. Damn.
Is it bright enough?
Yeah.
And it says it's at 30%.
Put that in 100, bro. If I go blind, I'm pussy.
Is it bright enough? Alright. Whoo! Look how overexposed. I'm using a SL60 from Godox right here. Yeah. So XL60. This is what it looks like. And this is this one right here. I think it's very powerful. I like the fact that you could change the settings because the XL60 doesn't allow you to change the Kelvin. So we're gonna put it at tungsten. Look at that. For the sake of the video, I'm just gonna lower the power at 10%. That's a little better. There you go. So you get your Kelvin settings. The lowest that I could get it right now is 2800, as you can see right here. And then it goes to 10,000, which is quite blue. It's 5%. And at 5% is kind of matching the XL60, which is pretty wild. We got some effects. Lighting. See what lighting looks like. Do I gotta press it every time I need it? Okay, police. That's the fire truck. That's ambulance. Fire. Not bad. Fireworks. Oh, you could change channels as well. Okay. This is the fault bulb, like for a scene in a gas station or in a prison. You got your TV setting, RGB circle, so it's probably swapping colors. Paparazzi. It's not taking photos.
Hit it once. There you go.
Oh, it has different settings of paparazzi. And then lighting, and you could change lighting 2, 3, 4. I guess that's frequency. Oh, how often it is. Okay, so you could change your frequency and how powerful it is. That's cool. So lighting, let's see, very frequent. That's 10. See how frequent that is. Okay, so you could adjust your frequency and power. That's pretty neat. I like that. So let's see what else we got. You could set up your RGB settings right here. So if you have a code that you want to have a specific color, you could definitely do that. What else we got? We got the Kelvin setting. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You got color settings right here, the HSI or the RGB CW FX, and you can do channels. All right, I think it does the job. And I believe this is Bowen's mount, which is very, very good. Which way do I gotta go? Okay, so I guess you have to hold the lever, hold it down to put it in, and then put it in place, and then to take it out like that. So it doesn't lock automatically, you have to hold it. I think it does the job pretty well. Yeah, I like it. All right, well, that is it, guys. There we go, Sutefoto. That's the model. It's pretty good. I like it. Thank you, Sutefoto or Sutefoto, for bringing this to my door. I like that it's powerful enough. I do have to put it to the test. From this point on, I'm gonna use it for unboxings. I'm gonna use it for probably a couple videos. You know, maybe some photography. We'll see how it behaves. I usually don't do constant photography with regular lights because they're not powerful enough, but this one, being 100, is pretty powerful. So that's gonna allow me to do some photography with constant lighting, which I was looking forward to do something like that. So I'm very happy with what we got here. Thank you, Sutefoto, for sending me this light. We're gonna do some tests down the road. I'll keep you guys posted. Let me know down below, what light do you have? What light would you like to get? And what do you think about this specific light? Let me know down below. And that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, put those comments down below. Let's have a conversation. Share the video, like it, subscribe. Once again, my name is Javier Morales, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.